Hey everyone, this is Kevin from themathworld.com. Today I'm going to bring you over a trick to multiply any two-digit number by another two-digit number. Probably one of the tricks that you'll get to use more than any other in math because it comes up so often. First thing we're going to look at is 24 times 72. The first step is you're going to multiply the ones digit by the ones digit. So 4 times 2. We're going to go ahead and write that answer down as 8. Then the next thing we're going to do is multiply 4 times 7. The ones and the tens digit, and then 2 times 2, and we're going to add those together. So 4 times 7 is 28, and we're going to add 2 times 2, which is 4. That's going to give us 32. We're going to write down our 2. We're going to carry our 3, and the next thing we're going to do is multiply the tens digits. So 2 times 7 is 14. We're going to add that to the number we carried, which is 3. So 14 times 3 is 17. And so our answer, 24 times 72, is 1,728. The next example we're going to look at is 33 times 47. First thing we need to do is multiply the ones digit. So 3 times 7 is 21. We're going to write down our 1, carry our 2. We're going to add that 3 times 4, and we're going to add 3 times 7. So 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 7 is 21. So 2 plus 12 is 14, plus 21 gives us 35. We can write down our 5. We're going to carry our 3. And we're going to add that to the tens digit to be multiplied times each other. So 3 times 4 is 12. And 3 plus 12 is 15. So the answer to this question, 33 times 47, is 1,551. Next example we're going to look at is 55 times 22. We need to first multiply the ones digit, 5 times 2. We're going to go and write down 0, carry the 1, then 5 times 2 plus 5 times 2. Add those to the 1 that we carried over, so 10 plus 10. 1 plus 10 plus 10 is 21. We will write down our 1, we'll carry our 2. Last step is to multiply the tens digits. So 5 times 2 is 10. We'll add that to our 2, get 12, and write down our last number, 12 here. So 55 times 22 is 1,210. Next example we're going to look at is 87 times 39. So we'll multiply the ones digit by each other. 7 times 9 is 63. We'll go ahead and write down 3, carry the 6. Then we'll multiply 7 times 3 and add that to 8 times 9. Add that to the remainder that we carried over, 6. So 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 9 is 72. So we'll add these up together. 21 plus 6 is 27. Plus 72. It's going to give us 99. We will write down our 9, and we'll carry 9. And then we'll add 9 to the tens digit being multiplied by each other. So 8 times 3 is 24. 9 plus 24 is 33. And so our final answer of 87 times 39 is 3,393. Next example is 13 times 93. First, multiply the ones digit. 3 times 3 is 9. Go ahead and write down 9. Don't have any remainders. Then we're going to multiply 3 times 9 and 1 times 3 and add those together. So 3 times 9 is 27. We're going to add that to 1 times 3, which is 3. That's going to give us 30. We'll write down our 0, carry our 3. Last step is to multiply the tens digits. So 1 times 9 is 9. We'll add that to the 3 that we carried over. That gives us 12. And so 13 times 93 is 1,209. Next example is 61 times 28. Multiply the ones digit numbers by each other. 1 times 8 is 8. Write down our 8. Next thing is to multiply 1 times 2 and 6 times 8 and add those to each other. 1 times 2 is 2. 6 times 8 is 48. Add those together, we get 50. We'll go ahead and write down 0, carry our 5. Last step is multiply the tens digits number, so 6 times 2 is 12. We'll add that to the 5 that we carried over. Gives us 17. And so our answer of 61 times 28 is 1,708. Last example we're going to look at is 97 times 67. Multiply the ones digit numbers by each other. It's 49. Write down our 9. We'll carry our 4. And we'll add that to 7 times 6, and then 9 times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. And 9 times 7 is 63. So we'll add those together. 4 plus 42 is 46. Plus 63 is 109. We will write down our 9. We'll carry our 10. And we'll add 10 to the last step, which is the teens digit numbers multiplied by each other. 9 times 6 is 54, which gives us 64. So after we write down 64, you can see our answer to 97 times 67 is 6,499. Definitely a useful trick as you multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers all the time. As you get more comfortable with this, you'll actually be able to see yourself doing it in your head without doing the scratch work, but definitely want to make sure you guys understood all the different steps that were needed to make sure that this works. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, learned something. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.